Good morning and happy freaking new year. It's 2025. It's January 1st. I can't believe it. I'm getting ready here. I've got a lot to do today, starting off the new year with just so much on my plate. I just worked a crazy work week. I don't even know how many hours I worked, but it was a lot. I've got a few days off now and I'm gonna fill them with adventure. It's a chilly one out there today. It's, let's see, 5 degrees. Yeah, it's cold. The low, is it gonna get colder? No, it's supposed to warm up, then it's supposed to snow this afternoon. Hopefully that doesn't affect my plans at all, but hey, we'll see. So the first thing we're gonna do today, we're gonna install this diesel heater in my coworker's van because it's 5 degrees out and it's only gonna get colder soon. I think in a couple weeks, like the high for the day is only gonna be like -10, -5. Those days are coming quickly. So we're gonna go out and install this diesel heater. I was looking at her setup yesterday because I was gonna install it after work yesterday, after working a 10-hour shift and doing it in the airport parking lot, but I didn't wanna half-ass it. I wanted to take my time and permanently install this heater in her van and not take any shortcuts. So that's what we're gonna go do right now. You might be wondering why I moved spots. I just came down the road here. It's one of these spots where you can't camp overnight, but it's on public land, so you could park here all day and not get in trouble. The spot I stayed at last night was just down the road, and it was one of those spots where it didn't have any no camping signs, but the odds of you being allowed to camp there are probably pretty slim. So I came here and so I could poach this spot and be able to spread out a little bit while I install this diesel heater. We planned on meeting at 7:30. It's about 7:25 right now, and she just texted me and said that she slept terrible last night, which I completely understand, not having a heater and a really bad bed setup. So she's gonna be here at 8:30. So you know what that means. I'm gonna make me some coffee. Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah. And it looks like Catherine just showed up, so we're gonna get this diesel heater installed. This here is a brand new Toyota Sienna, and it's a hybrid. I'm pretty sure it's all-wheel drive, and we're gonna be installing the diesel heater right down here where the back seat goes, but I took out the back seat and just kind of strapped it right there, and we're gonna get started on this right now. All right, I've managed to permanently mount the diesel heater on this little stand right here, and I drilled 2 holes coming out the bottom of the van right here. I'll finish mounting the exhaust and the intake in a minute. I just want to run this fuel line and try and button everything else up, including the wiring and the plumbing for the heat hose itself. And then I'll get started on sorting out the bed, and then we should be done. It's been snowing this entire time, so that's awesome. And I've got limited time left. It is 10:30 now, and I need to wrap this up before 11:30, 12 o'clock. All right, my time management skills today have not been the best, but the diesel heater is installed. I need to pack and get to the airport in 20 minutes.
Dear passenger, remember that liquids or gels exceeding 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces are not permitted inside of your carry-on, except for products that have been bought inside the boarding rooms of the airport and are properly packaged according to international regulations. These products must not be opened until they have arrived to their final destination. When you have reached the security checkpoint, you must have any liquids or gels that do not exceed 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces in an airtight sealed bag outside of your carry-on.
Señor pasajero, recuerde que su equipaje